What's up, OCC gang? I'm at CVS this week. I'm so sorry I missed CVS last week, but I'm here this week. So do me a favor, please hit that like button and let's go shopping. Don't forget to hit that like button, okay? So the first thing I like to do when I come into CVS is get the sales ad. Why? Because if your store hasn't had the chance to put up sales tags yet, you can always see the sales prices in the ad. That's very important. And the second thing I like to do is to come right over here to the CVS coupon center and scan my CVS card. Now I usually pull up my CVS card on the CVS app and scan it that way. You can use a card or you can use the app too. Oh, there they go. Oh wow, and remember, when these coupons come out, you don't have to use them right away, but you can use them if you want to. They're just extra bonus coupons to help make your deals even better. Okay, so the deal we're gonna do is gonna be with all digital coupons. I know y'all like all digital coupons, so that's what we're gonna do today. So all digital coupons, and it's right here on the front of the ad. You can see it right here. It says, spend 30 on participating products and get $10 back. So we're gonna spend 30, not out of our pocket, but we're gonna get $30 worth of merchandise, use a bunch of coupons to make it cheaper, and still get $10 back. So the first item I'm looking at is right here. It's the Downy Ultra. The Downy Ultra is $5.94, and we have a pretty decent coupon right here on the CVS app for $2 off when you buy one. So we're gonna buy one of the Downy, click this coupon on the CVS app for $2 off when you buy one, and add to cart. Now let's go ahead and get our next item. So the next item we're gonna get is the Gain Liquid. It's $5.94, and I like to scan on the CVS app. Sometimes they have this little scanner that you can just scan your items to see if you have a coupon. Let's go ahead and scan the Gain. Now sometimes the app works and sometimes it doesn't, but this time it worked. It says, woohoo, you've got deals for that product. Save $2 on one Gain 40 to 50 ounce, and this one is the 50 ounce, so this one qualifies. So we'll save $2 off this. It's $5.94, and we clipped a $2 coupon. So I'm gonna put one of these in my cart as well. Now you should have your Downy, you should have your Gain. Don't forget your $2 Downy coupon. Don't forget your $2 Gain coupon. Let's move on to our liquid Tide. Tide liquid, also $5.94. Anybody seeing a pattern here with them? $5.94 on the Tide liquid, but we also have a coupon on the CVS app. I'm gonna go ahead and scan. Let's see, the app is being nice to me today. Oh, as soon as I said it, no it's not. Listen, if it says we couldn't find a deal for that product, scan it again. Scan it again. The app is like acting up sometimes. It'll say you don't have a deal, scan it again, and it'll show you if you do. Save $2 on one Tide laundry detergent, 75 ounce or smaller. So this is definitely smaller than 75 ounces, so we know it qualifies now. It's $5.94, we'll save $2. We're almost there. Remember, with that deal that we have in the ad, we have to spend $30 in order to get that 10 back. Well, we've got Downy, Gain, and Tide. All of them are $5.94. We're almost to that $30. Let's keep building this transaction. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna get is right here with the Dove Men Hair Care. Okay guys, so the shelf does not have a tag. Pay attention to that. Your store might be the same. My store also does not have a shelf tag right here. However, I just went to the CVS app. I do that a lot, or cvs.com, and I just find out if it's included in any sales and if it's eligible for any rewards. So right here it says it's a part of that program where you can spend $30 and get $10 back. So we know it goes with the deal that we're doing. Also, I know that there's another sale attaching to it to buy one and get one 50% off. So if I would have just relied on this, just looking at the shelf, I would have really missed out on a great deal. So here's the deal that we're doing. I'm gonna add one of these to our transaction with all of the detergent that we have. They're $6.49 at my store. They're buy one, get one 50% off. But here's the great thing, you can mix and match. So I don't have to get two Doves. I can get one Dove and one of something else, and that's what I'm gonna do. Now we're also gonna use a coupon. We have a coupon on the CVS app for $2 off when you buy one. So if you have that coupon, go ahead and clip that coupon for $2 off when you buy one. And let's move on to our next item. The next thing I'm gonna get that once again is not marked in my store is gonna be the Axe body spray. Now it's $5.99, but it's a part of that buy one, get one 50% off. Now remember that Dove Men's Hair Care was also a part of buy one, get one 50% off. So I'll be paying full price for the Dove, which was $6.49-ish. And then this is the one, this Axe will be half off. Now, it gets even better. We have a coupon on the CVS app for $1.50 off when you buy one. We're buying one, so we'll get $1.50 off. So buy one, that's the Dove. Get the second one, that's the X, 50% off. Both of them have coupons. There's a $2 off coupon for the Dove, and there's a $1 off, $1.50 off coupon for the X. And last but not least for this deal, I'm gonna be getting the Suave deodorant. No coupons on my CVS app for these, but they qualify for the deal that we're doing. Spend $30 and get $10 back, and they're buy one, get one 50% off. So that will put me exactly where I need to be to do this deal and to spend $30 so that I'll be eligible to get $10 back. So I'm gonna get one at $2.19, and then that second one will be 50% off, and that will put me exactly where I need to be. Hey, listen, I don't have any coupons for these, but check your CVS app, scan the deodorant, and see what you have. You might be surprised, and you might have a really great coupon that will help you save even more. Okay guys, I wanna show you how much everything came out to and how much I got back, but first, I wanna explain something. This is a newbie deal. This is for people who are new to couponing. So that's why I don't use extra bucks. I see some people in the comments saying sometimes like, your total is too high, this, that, and the other. Guys, that's because I choose not to use all of these rewards and things that I have. I will have like at any given time so many extra bucks. I'll have so much money on my CVS account that I could use to make my transactions free, but I don't do that on video on my newbie deals. Why? Because it doesn't benefit newbies to see me use a bunch of money and then say I got all of this for free, right? That's not going to help you. I want to give you realistic transactions that you can do brand new. If you're new, you can do these transactions, and if you have extra bucks to use them. It'll make your total lower or free. But if you don't have any CVS money to use already, I like to show you realistic transactions. That's why I don't use my CVS money to pay. I could, and my stuff would always be free, but like I said, that would not help you learn. So I choose to just pay out of my pocket just to make it more realistic, and that's something I'm willing to do because I love you guys. Now let's take a look at my receipt. Everything we talked about, I got the Downy, the Gain, the Tide, Dove Men, X, and the 2 Suave. And you can see how some of those items rang up because they were buy one, get one 50% off. Now, let's talk about the coupons that came off. $2 off Tide, $2 off Gain, $2 off Dove, $2 off Bounce, and $1.50 off X. The 7 items, my total came out to $21.08 plus tax. So I paid that out of my pocket. That's something that I was willing to do because if I was brand new to couponing, I would think this was a great deal, and it is because we got $10 back in CVS money that we can go spend right now. So yes, I paid $21.08, but I have $10 that I can really try and stretch. And we have all of this detergent, softener, hair care for men, body spray, and deodorant. That's 7 items, $21.08, but we got $10 back. So since we just got that $10 back, I'm gonna go ahead and spend it. So I'm over here at the Revlon, and there's some really good coupons on the app. Check this out, $5 off Revlon cosmetics. That's just $5 off, free and clear. So if you don't do any other deal and you want to come in and get $5 off, this would be a good one to use, and I'm going to show you what to use it on in just a second. But look, 6 off 20. Wow, that's a good one. And check this one out, $6 off on the purchase of 2 Revlon eye cosmetics, and I think I have a few more. So guys, Revlon coupons, I have a ton of them. Hopefully you have a lot of good ones on your app, but I have deals that I want to put together, and I'm going to show you right after I put them together. Let me show you right over here the Revlon Kiss Balm. It's $5.49, and remember that $5 off coupon I showed you? You could use it on those, making them only 49 cents. So if you only wanted to do that deal this week, that's something you could do, but I'm gonna put a bigger deal together. You saw all my Revlon coupons, so I'm just gonna browse around and see how I can use them. Oh, by the way, check this out. When you spend $12 on any Revlon cosmetics, you get $4 back. I think I wanna put a huge deal together, and yeah, I'll show you guys what I come up with. Okay guys, so the Revlon deal is looking good. With all my coupons combined, I think my total is gonna come out really, really low. I'm gonna use about $17 worth of coupons. I'm gonna use the 2 $6 coupons that are on the app, and I'm also gonna use the $5 off coupon. Now, I'm over here at the cereal because I'm going to get like, my total is going to be pretty low. We have a $10 bill to spend, but my total is going to be pretty low. So I'm just going to add like 2 boxes of cereal.
Wait, can I get like 2 for one for me and Kat?
Guys, Deja's here, by the way.
Hi.
What are you asking for?
Can I get cereal for me and Kat?
Can you get cereal for you and Kat?
Yes. Because I like honey bunches.
It's gonna put me over a little bit from spending my $10.
Okay, never mind. It's not.
No, okay, now you sound sad. Get the cereal.
Yay.
Guys, should she get the cereal? It's gonna put me over a little bit.
I like honey bunches.
One for you and one for Cap.
Okay, he likes blue.
Guys, okay, so this is gonna put me over just a little bit. This is gonna put me over just a little bit from spending that $10. It's gonna put me over, but it's for the kids, so it doesn't really matter. I'm cool either way. You guys spend your money on what you want to spend it on, but I can't resist the kids. Plus, you guys know I don't like to do too many transactions at CVS anyway. All right, guys, so this transaction went pretty great. I did end up getting the boxes of cereal for the kids, but my niece and nephew are so good. They are such great kids that anytime they want something out of the store, I try not to say no. But guys, look, so I got 3 of the makeup, 3 Revlon makeups, 2 mascara, and 1 of the Kiss Balm. With the coupons for those, y'all, it took off $17 in coupons. $6, $6, and $5. I'm telling you, $17 worth of coupons came off for the Revlon. That made just the total for the Revlon, that made this total for just this around $4 and some change plus tax. So that's crazy, right? This, just the Revlon, if we don't count the cereal, this came out to like, I'll just round up to $5 and I still got $8 back, just the Revlon. I threw in the cereal for the kids, but without the cereal, this came out to $5 and I got $8 back. But I had the $10 bill to spend. Remember, we had $10 to spend. So even though this was only $5 worth, I was going to hand over that $10 bill, but this was only $5. I didn't want to give away that extra $5. You know, we had $10. This was only $5. If I would have given my $10, they don't give change back when you hand over your extra bucks. So I decided adding the cereal, I was okay with it. So with adding the cereal and using that $2 off cereal coupon, my total came down to $4 and I got $8 back. For me, that was still okay. Even though I didn't plan on really getting as many boxes of cereal, it was okay because they wanted it. So my total came out to $4 and I got $8 back. I'm gonna go ahead and spend this $8 just so I can get out of the store. But hey, if you do the same deal, remember, spend yours however you want to spend it. So the Personal is another deal you might want to do. Only $4.99, and we have a $2 off coupon on the CVS app. So if you really like this detergent, I mean, it's a pretty good deal. It's $4.99 and we have a $2 off coupon, so it's definitely something to consider. Tide Simply Liquid is $2.94, and we have a 50-cent off coupon on the CVS app. It's not a lot off, but it's Tide. Tide Simply is only $2.94. You can save 50 cents if that's a way you want to spend some of your money. Check it out. The All Liquid is $2.99, and we have a coupon on the CVS app for $1 off. That makes it only $1.99, so that's also a pretty good deal. You can get this for only $1.99. Hey, check it out, guys. These bottles of laundry detergent are huge. This says 100 ounces for only $3.99. Now, I know it's CVS brand, but come on, I would give it a chance for only $3.99. That's a really great deal, especially if you wash a lot of clothes for like kids or even for like your pets. You know how sometimes you have little blankets and things lying around the house. Deals like this, I don't like to pass them up. Y'all, Tiffany just got this email that said free item up to $10, and she just put it on her card. I'm sitting here hurt because I don't think I got any such email. Y'all hear me saying any such email? Like, I don't think I got anything like this, and I'm like hurt. It was just like, do you still have it? It said like the email? any what did it say? I want one. Guys, check your email.
It was cute. Look, it has like a heart and everything.
It just says
CVS
free item
me.
up to $10. CVS loves you. They hate me. She got a free $10, y'all. It was just free. When did they send it? What's the date on it? Was it from today?
I think so, 9:01 a.m.
Oh yeah, I searched mine. I didn't get anything like that. But guys, check your emails to see if you got something like that. Tiffany got one, and it just gave her something to say like add to cart. Yep.
Sent to cart.
Wow. I'm super jealous. Y'all, okay, so we ended up getting candy because that's what Deja wanted. She wanted Snickers. So we ended up getting candy. So she's over there setting up my haul for y'all. But this trip was mostly about what Deja wanted. And hopefully I don't get anything back. I can't even remember what I bought today because it's been a series of, hallelujah, I didn't get anything back. I did not feel like going back to shop some more. Thank you, Mark.
Of course. Always a pleasure.
Thank you. So yeah, let's go set up this haul and see how much I spent for the whole day. I spent a little bit more than I wanted to, but at the same time, I mean, candy, cereal, kids, y'all know I don't have any kids, so I can only imagine how it is for you guys that do have children when you go in the store and they want little treats. Now, Deja and Cap, they don't beg in a way like, oh, can I have it, please, please. They will ask once, and if I say no, they will say yes, ma'am, and just walk away and keep doing what they were doing. So because of that, because they're so respectful when they ask for stuff, it just makes me sometimes feel like, why not? Why not get them the candy with my free extra bucks? Why not? So I still think this was a great haul. Plus she's being a great helper setting everything up. So let's get it set up and then I'll show you how much I spent for the whole day, which is not typical, but I'm still cool with it. Y'all, I am crying. I am crying, y'all. I let this girl get me to spend so much money, but it was worth it. Don't look guilty, Deja. It's okay. It's okay. She helped me out so much in the store, y'all, but I think I still did okay. I got, let's see, 7, 4. I got about 20 items. About 20 items, 18 items. I got 18 items for $26. Yeah, it came out to about $26. Could I have done better? Of course. I could have left out so many things like candy and extra boxes of cereal. But all in all, I was happy to do it, happy to pay it. I have tons of extra bucks left over. It's not a huge deal. But for me, this was actually fun. It was fun just seeing the kids smile. I don't know how y'all do it with kids though. Oh my gosh, they're so cute and their little smiles and stuff. How do you say no? So for this first receipt, of course, my total came out to $28. That was all digital coupons. I suggest after you do that one and you get your $10 back, please spend it wisely. Spend it wisely. There are so many good deals that I showed you today that you could actually do. The Gain, the Tide, all detergent, Persil. There's so many different deals that you can do. Put together your best deal. Guys, this was just me being an aunt today, but put together your best deal and make it work for you. Hopefully you guys saw my Maybelline deal that I did previously. So maybe that will be something that you can do for advanced couponers or couponers that want to get a moneymaker deal, because I did a quick Maybelline moneymaker deal. So maybe you might want to do something like that. But for me, this was my 18 items for $26 haul. So that's it for this video. OCC gang, I'm out.